Innovating in design is not an easy task. There are fixed UX rules that we need to follow and user research outcomes that need adaptations. Generally, there are some tips that you can use to innovate in the process. First, add things. This may be the easiest one in design since every designer wants to add as many things as possible to an interface, and the additional functions can help increase a product's depth. But this is also one of the riskiest rules. Adding functions can please certain users at first sight. However, your customers may be wary of the complexity that your product causes. Many people praise Logitech's MX Master Mouse initially for its additional function keys on the side. But consumers quickly get tired of it since they have trouble remembering what each key does. Comparatively, Apple's Magic Mouse received massive popularity because it's so simple with no keys whatsoever. It leads to the second principle that we are going to talk about today: subtracting. Adding things is easy, but removing items is hard. Yet, it is simplicity and seamlessness that win over users. Apple created Unlock Face ID wearing a mask during the pandemic, so iPhone users won't have to take off their mask just to unlock their phones or use Apple Pay. Subtraction reduces troubles and creates usefulness. Third, look to real life. When making the first iMac, Apple designer Jony Ive put a handle on the iMac enclosure. Jony believes that the handles are everywhere in our lives and we have a natural tendency to touch them. Using a handle on an iMac invites the user to feel it and be closer to the technology. Also, the very first calculator app on the iPhone modeled after the Brown ET66 calculator, making it lifelike and easy to use. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is Sam. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.